Hello everyone.
On the 3rd of May 2022, in the morning, we heard that one of the inmates burned himself at Broadway. Later that day, we heard that Thabo Bester, he burned himself. That night, there was a busy, this official, there was busy going ups and down, up and down. Even some of them we can recognize them due to we look at them through the window and through the door. So there was busy going ups and down. We heard the footsteps. We heard the doors, the gates busy open and closed. So what we didn't hear is the fire or the sound of the explosion. As some of the officials they said there was an explosion. I didn't hear the explosion. In the morning, the late morning, at around past 4 or to 5, then I saw the officials coming out, going out from the Broadway unit. Later on, we saw the DCS members and the 2 nurses. And later on, later on it was around past 11. We saw the police, the SAPS police. And by that time, lots of officials was already coming and go with unit. The official told us that Thabo Bester, he burned himself inside the cell, meaning he commit suicide. But what surprised us is how, because inside the cell there is no electric plug. There is only light on top there. They don't allow lighter or matches to light. They don't allow cigarette to smoke. So that was surprising us. How have he managed to bend himself inside? Yes, it was strange because we asked ourselves how, because that guy, he was living the best life ever in prison. So surprisingly, we just heard he bent himself. How? Because he was someone who have everything he want, rather than other inmates. I mean, he got the best treatment. Whatever he want, he get it. For an example, here in this prison, inmate who have a cattle is only inmate who is a star cell. And when they call a star cell, you have to spend 36 months without getting a negative case note. A negative case note. If they give you a negative case note, that means you have a bad behavior. So him himself, they got him or they catch him with a cell phone several times. So that means he can't qualify to be a star cell. That guy, he don't eat the prison food. Sometimes you'll find him eating outside food, like a pork. Here in this prison, we don't eat pork. You will find him eating a pizza. Here in this prison, they don't sell pizza. So those are some of the things which I can say he was living his best life. They only allow inmate to have one pair of teki or sneaker, one pair. But I can tell you, that guy, he was always changing the pairs of sneakers all the times. And the expensive one. We don't receive food. We don't receive toiletries from visitors. Those foods and those extra things, only the officials can bring them to the inmates, like what they did to Thabo Bester. What we know, or what we heard about how he did the money, he started doing those things of forex. Is it a forex or forex trading? Where he started to scam people their money. Then he had some cash and started doing those tradings and continued to do some frauds.